So numerous news houses are now reporting that the PSL's footballer of the season, Lucas Ribeiro, is now headed to Qatar. Qatar SC is now being reported to have reached a deal or an agreement with Mamelodi Sundowns to sign the player. I mean, Sundowns have been inundated with calls for this player, wanting his services. This was even before the FIFA Club World Cup, and his performances there did not only increase the number of teams that want him, but also increased his price tag. We are hearing of 50 million rand price tag on him. That's why this Qatari side looks to be ready to foot the bill. I mean, this is a player that was signed in 2023. He made 88 appearances for Mamelodi Sundowns. He scored 37 goals. He created goals 23 times. So this is a big player. I mean, they finished 10th last season. If they want to improve that, this is the player. That's why I expect a big announcement in